The sun is out. It is a little bit windy, but I am going to be starting a new series about my garden. In my last house, my house basically looked like a house in a car park when we first bought it, and then Rob and I spent 23 years doing it up and adding to the garden until it was just very beautiful, and I think it was very much a selling point of the house. This garden, as you can see, is very sparse. The reason it is very sparse is because it was in a very, very bad way. So over there was an old shed that was removed, and over there I'm going to put planters, raised planters, because I want to have one with my herbs and one with other bits and pieces, vegetables and stuff like that. There's a beautiful patio which needs power washing, which I'll do in the next few days. Very noisy bird up there, which I love the birds, so I don't mind. And yes, as you can see, the borders are pretty bare. Everything's pretty bare, but I don't expect that to last very long. I have been planting an awful lot of things over there on my herbs at the moment, but I need to change that because the dogs like to go in the flower border, and I'd rather my herbs weren't where dogs can walk. So over there is my arbor, which is absolutely gorgeous. It's a bit run down at the moment, but I'm going to be filming every so often, and sorry, please excuse me, it's having a wee. Yes, and I want to share with you as I slowly bring this place to life and make something of it. So that's what I'm doing, and that's what I have planned for the spring and summer, and I look forward to sharing it with you.